Hi guys, today's episode I'm going to show you how to reduce memory uses using Laravel query optimization. So let me go and show you with the example how we can reduce the memory limit. So let me go here and I already installed Laravel application. So let me go to the terminal and run the application PHP artisan serve, okay, and go to the browser and localhost, and you can see that it's reloading, and you can see I have just created one HTML page and list of all the posts with the published date. Okay, so let me go to my database. So go to the table plus, and there is a lots of tables, but you can go and see the post table, and I have a 3500 records in the post table. Okay, you can see that. And if I go here, you can see that there is a column user ID, slug, title, and description, meta keyword, meta description, view, and all the rows with the image. Lots of columns I already taken. Okay, and now let me go to VS Code editor and let me show you the code what I did. Okay, and go to the HTTP dashboard controller. I have just taken 1000 post from the post table. Okay, and just passed, and okay, for each loop with the display all the post over here. Okay, so let me make it format, save it. Okay, and now let me go to the browser, and here simply just list of all the posts. I have also installed Laravel debug bar, so I can see how many queries are running and what is the memory usage and all the things I can see. So let me click on that Laravel debug bar, and you can see over here there is a one queries are running, like select star from post and model 1000 model are using because I have just looping. Okay, and getting the title and created date. Okay, and you can see over here as well there is a memory usage. You can see that 14 MB, so that means it's a lot. And more than that, when you have thousands of records, and when you have emails and all the things, then you can see that right now it's 14,000. And how we can reduce this? Okay, so let me go. You can see that in dashboard controller I have just taken post and star. You can see that post star from post. Okay, so that means we have selected all the columns from the post table. Okay, so we have a lots of column created, updated, and image. But when I'm going to display the data, then I have just display the title, and you can see that creation date, like published date. Okay, so how we can do, like, then you can see the description, image, and that's all unused column, and still I am getting. So what I'm going to do, I am just displaying with title. So I will just say select, and as an array I'm going to pass title because I am just displaying the title, and then the next I'm use created at. Okay, save it. Okay, created add column. Okay, and save it. So that means I just need two columns for now. I don't require description, image, and even I was getting star, that means all the columns. So now let's see, and if I refresh, and you can see that just it's become 3 MB. So that means it just select title, created, and post, and you can see that I have displayed. So it works everything what I need exactly. If you need slug, then you can also just select slug like this way and hit refresh. You can see still 3 MB. But even if you are getting with description and with created, updated on all the columns, that means it's taking lots of data, and it will be keep save in the memory. So you can see that you can optimize your query with what is you need that fields, just select that fields. So this way you can easily improvement, and you can save, like, reduce the memory usage. So this is the very small tips, but it's very helpful, and you have to be careful in your entire project. If you need just name and description, then you can just do that one. Don't use other columns, because in tables we have a lots of columns. So I hope guys you understand how we can easily optimize with the select statement. So at the end, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos about Laravel, and see you on the next video guys.